क्या बताऊंगा यहाँ उड़ने को मेरे खुला आसमां है तेरे किसों जैसा भोला सलोना जहाँ है यहाँ सपनों वाला मेरी पतंग वो भी फिकर उड़ रही है माँ डोर कोई लुटे नहीं बीच से काटे ना आजा साँझ में मुझे तेरी फिकर धुंध लग गई देख मेरी नजर आजा आजा साँझ में मुझे तेरी फिकर धुंध लग गई देख मेरी नजर आ जाना धन्यवाद And every heart a dream is born. A world of love and not for long. Different voices, one refrain. Together we can break the chain. No wall between us, just open skies. Hand in hand, let's hope arise. Together we shine like the stars above, spreading the light of peace and love. Voices united, hearts in rhyme. Together we shine, together in time. Colors may differ, but hearts the same. Harmony, the song will proclaim. Through every drag, through every storm, together we'll keep the world warm. No hate, no fear, no turning back. We'll paint the world on love's bright red. Together we shine like the stars above, spreading the light of peace and love. Voices united, hearts in rhyme. Together we shine, together in time. Together we shine, together in time. Thank you.
On behalf of Noske Public School, I extend a very warm welcome to respected parents.
Good morning, respected MD sir, principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to today's annual function. I, Jashan,
And I, Jasmine.
feels honored to speak on the topic banking system in India and its role.
Banks are the backbones of our economy, from small saving accounts to big business loans. Banks help money flow safely across the country. The Reserve Bank of India, or Central Bank, control and guides all other banks like SBI, PNB, and private banks like HDFC and ICICI.
Chanakya said, Arthasya Moolam Rajyam, meaning wealth is the root of kingdom, and banks are the protectors of that wealth. From piggy bank to the digital bank, India has come a long way.
But before we learn more, let us pray and thank God for growth and prosperity of our nation. Please stand straight, put your right hand on your left shoulder, and get ready for the morning prayer.
Where mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where world has not been broken up into fragments. by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from depth of truth, where the mind is led forward by thee, into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Before we start, let us take some inspiration from today's thought of the day.
Today's thought of the day is banking is the lifeline of an economy. A strong banking system means a strong nation, and our India's bank have proven to be the backbone of our growth story. I repeat my thought. Banking is the lifeline of an economy. A strong banking system means a strong nation, and our Indian bank have proven to be the backbone of our growth story. Thank you. From the 1 rupees coin in a child's piggy bank, 2 crores that build our highway, it all flows through one system. Today, let us understand the banking system of India and its role in making our country strong through group discussion.
Why do we need banks? Can't we just keep money at home? Is it safe to keep a large amount of cash at home? What problems can happen?
We need banks for safety and growth. Money at home can be stolen or lost. Banks keep it safe and also give interest. Plus, banks also use our savings to give loans for schools, hospitals and businesses. That's true, but our Indian banks are really safe. We are hear about frauds and banks failure sometimes.
RBI is the main reason banks are safe. It's called the banker's bank. RBI checks every bank, makes rules and even ensures if a bank fails, our money is protected.
Okay, but what about villages? Do banks actually reach there, or is it only in cities? That changed after Jan Dhan Yojana. Today, over 50 crore Jan Dhan accounts are open. Banking mitras, UPIs and small payment banks have taken banking to every village.
Speaking of UPI, India is number one in digital payment. Is that only because of banks?
Mostly yes, NPCI made UPI, but all banks joined it. RBI and government pushed it. That's why even a small TCL accept phone payments. Banks made digital India possible.
One concern though, private banks give false service, but banks like SBSU, like SBI reach remote areas, which is better for India.
We need both. Private banks bring innovation and competition. PSU banks bring trust and inclusion. Together, they balance profit with social duty.
Why are loans from bank better than the money lenders, and how do bank help economy?
Bank charges lower interest rate and follow their rules. Moneylender often trap people in debt. Banks help the economic by supporting business, industries, farmers and students through loans and financial services.
Is UPI killing cash completely? Is UPI making cash outdated in India?
Not killing but reducing. Cash is still king in villages, but UPI is now king in cities. UPI and mobile banking have made the transaction fast and easy.
How do banks help students to continue study through education loans?
Education loans, zero balance accounts and scholarships. through banks help students study without money worries.
How do banks help common people? Why is the banking system important for India?
Banks keep people money safe and encourage them to save for the future. The banking system is important because it supports economic growth, creates jobs, and improves the financial condition of the country.
What is the contribution of the banking sector to increase the GDP? What would happen of a country's GDP if there were no banks?
Banking sector helps to grow a country's GDP in several direct and indirect ways. GDP, total value of goods and services produced by a country. Banks act like an engine that keeps money moving. Without bank, there is no business growth and no GDP growth. Banks do not make product, but it makes possible for everyone else to make products. We live in a time where even a tea stall accepts UPI. This change was made possible by India's strong banking system. The banking system in India plays a very important role in the growth and development of our country. It helps people save money safely and supports businesses and farmers through loans and make the financial transaction easy and fast. With the advancing of the digital banking, the banking services have become more convenient for everyone. Therefore, the banking system is the backbone of our Indian economy and contributes greatly to the progress of our nation. Thank you.
Speaks. Please welcome our talented performers for a beautiful classical dance performance that reflects the richness of Indian culture and traditional. A big round of applause for them.
people. Scene 1.
Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
Our today's topic is banking system in India and its role. Do you know why banks are so important in India and how are they useful to us?
Yes, banks help people to keep their money safe and secure. Banks provide safe place to deposit money, saving and current account.
Very good. That's called safety of saving. What else?
Banks provide loan to people for education, home, business and farming. Create employment by giving loan to small business and new startups.
Excellent. Banks give us loan for education, vehicles and houses. This helps people fulfill their needs.
What other services will bank provide?
Banks provide ATM services, money transfer and online banking facilities.
Who controls the old Bank of India?
The RBI, Reserve Bank of India, controls and regulates all the banks in India. It is the central bank of the country and is responsible for making banking rules and policies, controlling the flow of money in the economy, issuing currency notes, maintaining financial stability, supervising and regulating banks of India. Banks are not only in big cities, they are very useful for the people in villages too. Let's see how a bank helps a farmer.
Scene 2. Farmer visits the bank.
Good morning, sir. I need some financial help to buy some seeds and farming equipment. Due to lack of rainfall and increasing farming expenses, I am facing financial problems.
Good morning. Please don't worry. Banks provide agriculture loans to help farmers improve their farming and production. Our banks provide loans at reasonable interest for farmers.
This sounds helpful. Earlier, I had to borrow money from a local money lender which charged very high interest.
Banks are safer and more reliable. We also guide farmers about the repayment option and government schemes related to the agriculture.
Will I get enough time to repay my loan after harvesting my crops?
Yes, farmers are usually given flexible repayments periods according to the crop season and harvest time.
Thank you, sir. This financial help will support me improve my farming and support my family.
This scene shows that how a bank helps a farmer through financial assistance and contribute to the development of rural areas and agriculture of India. Banks are also very useful and helpful for small businesses and shopkeepers. I'll show you how.
Scene 3. Shopkeeper and digital banking.
Uncle, please give me a notebook and a pen. How much?
That will be 40 rupees. Pay in cash.
Uncle, I don't have cash. Can I pay using Google Pay?
Earlier, I only took cash. I was scared of digital payment. But if the money doesn't come, but if there is fraud?
So what changed your mind, Uncle?
During lockdown, customers stopped carrying cash, but everyone had phones. A person from bank came, explained everything and gave me this QR code. Now look, money comes through UPI every day.
Has it helped your shop?
A lot. No tension of giving change. I can check my sales on my phone. Last month, I even applied for a shop loan using my mobile. That's the power of digital banking.
So the bank is not just in a building anymore, Uncle.
You're right. The bank is now in my pocket and my small shop is now a part of digital India.
This scene shows that from Kirana store to the global trade, digital banking is making every Indian a part of India's growth. Today, India's banks don't just sit in big cities. They travel through UPI, reaching every shop, every citizen and every street. Banks also plays a big role in students' life. I'll show you how.
Scene 4. Student open a bank account.
Sir, I want to open my first bank account to save money for my future studies.
Absolutely. Nowadays, many students use bank accounts for their scholarship, online payments and savings.
Sir, what documents are needed?
You need your Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, phone number and PAN card if available. Please fill out these forms.
Sir, why is having a bank account is important?
A bank account keeps your money safe. It also helps you to save regularly, transfer money easily, use ATMs, making online payments and receive your scholarship directly in your account.
Sir, can I use digital banking too?
Of course, you can use mobile banking
must remember to never share your OTP or password with anyone. Thank you so much. I will use my bank account wisely and save money regularly. It is an excellent habit. Small saving today becomes big support tomorrow.
This scene teaches us that banks are not only for businesses and adults. They also help students learn saving habit, financial discipline, and digital banking skills.
Banks also help senior citizens by safely managing their pensions and savings. Banks are a big support for senior citizens.
Banks also support new businesses and create employment opportunities. Banks provide business loans to encourage startups and self-employment.
Along with the banking facilities, people must also stay careful, alert, and never share your personal banking details with the strangers. Awareness and safety are very important in banking. They support India's economy and make life easier for everyone. Save money today for a better tomorrow. Strong banks build a strong India. Thank you.
बैंक केवल पैसों की सुरक्षा नहीं करते बल्कि लोगों के सपनों को भी सहारा देते हैं। अब प्रस्तुत है एक सुंदर हिंदी कविता जो हमारे समाज में बैंकों के महत्व और भूमिका को उजागर करती है।
भारत की बैंकिंग व्यवस्था देश की शक्ति कहलाती है। हर छोटे बड़े नागरिक को आर्थिक राह दिखाती है।
कभी किसान की आशा बनकर खेतों तक खुशहाली लाती, कभी युवा के सपनों को नई उड़ान दिलाती जाती।
डिजिटल युग के इस दौर में बैंक बने पहचान नहीं, यूपीआई मोबाइल बैंकिंग से सुविधा पहुंची घर घर भाई।
अपना लंबी लाइन लगती, ना पैसों का डर सताता, एक क्लिक में लेन देन हो, समय भी कितना बच जाता।
आरबीआई सबको संभालता, नियमों का ध्यान रखता, देश की आर्थिक स्थिति को संतुलित और मजबूत बनाता। बैंक सिर्फ इमारत नहीं है, ये विश्वास की पहचान है। भारत की प्रगति और विकास में इनका सबसे बड़ा योगदान है। आओ हम सब आगे बढ़कर बैंकिंग का सम्मान करें, ईमानदारी और बचत से नए भारत का निर्माण करें। धन्यवाद।
Let us now enjoy a meaningful English poem dedicated to banks and their contribution to society.
Save a little, save with care. For dreams and hopes we all can share. Banks teaches lessons wise and true about what careful savings do. Online banking, cards and phones have changed the way our money flows. Fast and easy, safe and bright. Modern banking feels just right. So let us thank the banks today for guiding people on their way. They help our nation proudly rise like shiny stars across the sky. Thank you.
Dance is like celebration, unity and expression. Get ready for clap, cheer and joy because the stage is about to come alive with an exciting group dance performance.
चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया। डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया। टुकड़ा टुकड़ा
इक्के हैं जुबान के पक्के हम हुकुम के इक्के जुबान के पक्के खाके खा मेरे जो मेरे से मेरे बने हैं तो हम क्या करें